Question: what is love? Answer: the same as hate if you're not careful. Hold up, check my linguistics. Let me break it down to you, Afrolistic. I ain't down with the love stuff, kid. Nothing but trouble, shit on the double. See, you gotta have it, I'm keeping a brother broke. I ain't the one, why? Cause I'm low. Pack your bags and put down the platter. You wanna chill with me cause my pockets got fatter. You want din, drop a new Benz, then suck me dry and spit me out again. Romance and dancing in a fur coat. I don't play these jokes. You can't fade me, run me through a maze. I know about women and I mystic ways. And my cash flow, yo, you can't stop it. Give up the props to the underground prophet. Again, I guess you didn't listen. Open your eyes, homegirl, because you're missing the simple fact that a bank can get you stuck, caught between the wall and a Mack truck, all for the taking, not to be took. 187 on a pocketbook. Violations, grounds for termination. More money is what I'm facing. I paid the price before, now I'm through with it. Don't even front on me because you did it. Instead of love, it's a business proposition. So I broke on out on a new mission. If you would have been straight from the get-go, you wouldn't have to leave through the back door. One strike is what you get. Later, see ya, and I wouldn't wanna be ya. What is love? Answer: the same as hate if you're not careful.